up, guys? We're officially live. It has been a long time since I've live streamed. It's probably been, God, how long has it been, guys? I don't even know, man. But I'm just glad to be live streaming once again, guys. So this is our new show called Penny Stock Happy Hour. We're gonna be doing this Monday through Friday, 5 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. May run longer, you never know. Some days, yeah. Anyway, what we're going to be doing here is talking about stocks. You know, what's hot, what's not, what's happening, you know. You guys all know that my favorite one is USRM, US Stem Cell. Today, it actually went down a little bit. It's kind of surprising. I'll show you the chart here. Alright, let's zoom in here. Alright, so it started up at what's the year? I think it was like, it was 11.9, I think it was when it opened up. Yeah. So about up here, and it just fucking started dropping, and you know, came all the way down to, what's that, about 9.8, almost a little under 10 cents there, and then just kind of jumped back up, you know, all the way back up to 11. It's kind of the up and down thing, and now it's down to 10.3. I'm kind of surprised, guys, honestly. Some big news came out today. Let's see here, I'll show you. It's on the message board here. Alright. There you go. Okay. Okay, USRM of Florida. Am I read all this shit? Let's see here. Alright. Yeah, okay. USRM, the Florida Corporation and leader in novel regenerative medicine solutions and physical-based stem cell therapies for human and animal patients, has received reactivation status of the Marvel trial phase 2 of 3 trial with the Food and Drug Administration. See, that right there is huge. So FDA is giving them the go-ahead to reactivate their Marvel trial, and that's like a huge step towards getting their regenerative medicine advanced therapy designation. So yeah, and once they get that, you know, designation, then they're probably really close to getting the FDA approval for their MyoCell product, and then they'll be able to commercialize it and market it and sell it, you know. So that's a big deal. That's a big deal for USRM. Okay, so let's see here. So the trial had previously been placed on inactive status as patients were not actively being enrolled. A request was placed to the FDA to reactivate the protocol and consider the therapy for RMAT, which is regenerative medicine advanced therapy designation. We have recently heard from the FDA, who has notified us that the protocol has been placed on reactivation status after reviewing details on the protocol and data collected on patients to date. The FDA has also notified us that they are still reviewing our submission for RMAT. That's a good thing right there. Let's see here. So I'm not going to read all that. So basically, Big news, man. That's huge. That's awesome. FDA has not denied them, you know, the RMAT designation, and they reactivated their Marvel trial. So that's awesome. Huge for USRM. Now, why the hell did it go down today? I don't know. Maybe just people haven't caught on to the news yet. That might be it. So, yeah. Some big trades, though. Let's see if I can get to the trades. Big trades came through. I saw one. Somebody bought 800,000 freaking shares today of USRM. Let's see if we can find that. Alright, let's see here. So just some big trades. I don't get all these sellers. They don't make any sense to me. Whatever. There's 101,000. Someone bought 101,000 shares there. Oh man, I can't see the 800,000 one. But yeah, I watched somebody buy 800,000 shares today. That's pretty cool. There's 80,000 there. Big buys, man. It's awesome. It's very good when you see someone buy like 800,000 shares. You guys gotta know that means something. I mean, anybody with that kind of money to spend on investment probably knows what they're doing. So that's pretty encouraging, I gotta say. So I went down today, a little red. Oh well. Tomorrow will be another day. I think like people are gonna catch on to the news, and this sucker's gonna skyrocket tomorrow. I mean, that's my prediction, my opinion. You never know. We'll wait and see. Let's see here. So I guess we could look at the breakout boards. Take a look here. Damn, what's this here? That's a huge amount of volume, though. 875 million volume? That's how much traded today. Called Winning Brands Corporation. Well, let's take a quick look at that. See what the heck's going on. I don't know what this is. Winning Brands. Alright. It's a 200% change, though. Damn. That's pretty nuts. So, yeah, this is definitely way sub penny. So like that 875,000 trade volume looked like it was like a really big number, but then you look at the dollar volume for sub penny. That's pretty freaking good, though. Dollar volume's only at 258K, but I mean for sub penny, yeah, that's pretty good. As we can take a closer look. I'd like to look at some of them trades that came through here. I mean, you can buy a lot of shares for that price. Look at this guy. Oh my god. 25 million shares. Holy shit. I don't really know what that is. Like, everybody's buying millions of shares. I guess that's what it's like when it's that cheap, man. People are buying big blocks. Holy crap. Yeah, Winning Brands Corporation. I've never heard of that. Take a look at the news. First exposure for Winning Brands at Costco. Huh. Really? Effective immediately, Winning Brands have a marketing relationship in Canada intended to increase their exposure and use Winning Brands biodegradable cleaning agents by dry cleaners and in other professional laundry settings. Heh. Interesting. So So I'm guessing like their main thing is just cleaning stuff. This talks about a stain remover. It's available to the U.S. Navy personnel. Interesting. The U.S. Home Depot, online, Walmart. Crazy. That's pretty interesting. Huh. Liquid oxygen bleach. Liquid chloride bleach. Crazy. Well, let's see what they say on the message boards there. Oh wow, you can see some more pictures of their stuff. I don't know what the hell that's about. Probably just advertisement. Said there was a crash program on my computer. I don't know what you're talking about. Looks like some kind of spam advertisement to me. That shit off my screen. What's up? What's up, Blazer? How you doing, man? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Diversify, basically, is what you're saying. Yeah, I was gonna do that, and then like USRM just got too exciting, so I got all my eggs in one basket right now. I know it's not a thing to do, but I really believe in it, man, and I know I won't regret it, but eventually I would like to diversify again, you know, because it's better that way, because that way when your stock goes down and you're trying to hold on to it, you know, you can't make any moves when your stock goes down. Stock goes up, you can maybe, you know, sell it, maybe try to do a little day trading with it. But I'm telling you, man, I've tried with USRM, and every time I try to do that, I lose shares. So from now on, man, I'm holding on to it till it's at a real good price, like $1. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see $1. I'm trying to pull up the chat on my phone so you guys don't have to see all that nonsense, is what I'm trying to do. Let's see here. Should be able to do it. So this stuff's at Costco, Walmart, everywhere. The stock is sub penny. Right next to Goof Off there. Huh? Winning brands. What is this? That's $10. Huh. Yeah, it says tomorrow will be better than today, bigger than today. They had a 200% gain today. I mean, that's crazy. I don't really mess with the sub pennies at all, but yeah, I don't know. This one looks pretty good. Let's look at a chart situation here. Yeah. I want to look at let's go for like 6 months. Okay, so back here is like, it was 1/10 of a cent back here. It was just such small money per share, you know? It's crazy. I thought we'd check it out, you know, because it had that big gain, you know. I don't know. I'm trying to get this chat on the phone, man. Hold on. Yeah, I'm doing great, man. I really don't think it's gonna crash, though. Okay, okay. I think I took away your moderator status because I didn't know who the hell you were. So I went ahead and remade you moderator again. Oh, this stock I was looking at is, let's see here. Let's see here. It's last at this right here, so, like, I don't even know, man, what you say that is. Like, okay, right here, if there was a 1 right there, would be a penny. So, that's how many fractions of a damn penny this thing is. Yeah, I don't mess with things this cheap. So Immortal, or I'll just call you, what, Blazer? Blazer, right? Yeah, I'll call you Blazer. So Blazer, this is my stock. I'll show you. I've been following this for months, man. I've done so much research on it. I fully believe in it. It's a stem cell treatment, man. They're working on, like, taking people's, like, stem cells out of, like, their fat tissue and then put it in, like, damaged areas of the body. One of their main things is taking those cells and, like, putting them in, like, damaged heart muscles and, like, you know, repairing hearts that way. You know, people that are, like, having heart failure and shit need a heart transplant. Instead, they can get these stem cell treatment done and it'll just fix their heart right up. It's freaking badass, man. I thoroughly believe in this shit. Stem cells is the future. It's gonna be like a $1 billion market. It's untapped, you know. So yeah, this is my stock. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, but we're waiting for that FDA approval, and then once that happens, it should shoot up to like $1 at least, they say. And then once that happens, they say, like, big companies will be offering billions of dollars for it, and that means big money for us shareholders. That's what I'm saying, man. I mean, if it's bought out for $1 billion, just $1 billion, then we all get paid like $3 each share, you know. And, like, if it's $2 billion, $6, you know. Do the math, man. That's a lot of money. Especially when you're like me, I have 6,500 shares. So, you know, I had I had 16,000 shares of this stock, and then I went and tried to flip it. You know, I was trying to sell it when I thought it was high, and so I could buy, you know, lower, buy more shares, because it moves around a lot. But every time I do that shit, I sell, and then it, like, starts to go down a little bit, and I'm, like, about ready to buy, and then it just starts going up. And then it goes up above the price I freaking sold at, and then I get in this stupid panic, and then I end up buying in for less shares. This has happened to me fucking, 3 times now? The same stock. So I'm not even messing around anymore. I'm just holding onto it, wait until it's at least $1, and then I'll have some money. That's what I'm talking about, so... Yeah, see, that's just lessons you got to learn when you are a rookie investor, man. When you're first starting out, you got to learn that kind of shit. So my other stock that I like to follow is this other one. It's EMSF Fine. It's a cell phone app that makes it to where, like, elderly people can summon rides easier, and physicians can, like, get rides for their patients, and they're collaborating with Uber and 888 Rideshare and Lyft, I believe now, and Epic MD. So this is another one that's gonna be big. Right now, it's trading for small money. Right now, I think they're waiting for this official merger news and shit. So until that happens, it's probably gonna stay kind of a lower price, you know. At this point, everybody's like, oh, it's just, you know, you just saying that they're merging with these big companies, but there's no proof. But then once that news comes through, that official stuff, then people are like, oh shit, and they're going to start taking this seriously. Let's see here. I can look at the chart. Today's chart. I think I can actually full screen this, I think. Let me see if I can. Or if I know how is the question. That's like a screenshot or something. Oh, that's cool. That's cool you can do that. I don't really want to do that though. I can change the color of the background. Oh, that's cool. So I'm learning some shit right now. I never really play with this too much. I would like to get this to full screen though. But I just don't know. Oh wait, is that how to do it? Oh shit, look at that guys. I'm learning. Alright. So, let me zoom this out here. Alright, so you can see what happened back here. This is when I got excited about it. It spiked all the way up. It spiked all the way up to like over 2.5 cents. And that was coming from all the way down here, you know. It's like fractions of a penny down here. And just jumped all the way up to 2.5 cents. I mean, that's awesome, man. It's like you down here, you bought a bunch of shares down here, you tripled your money when you sold at this. So if you sold at that, that's the thing. See, when you get all excited, you think it's going up, and you think it's going to keep going up. You never know. Then it drops like that, man. That's scary shit. And that kind of happened to me with this one too. I lost money on this stock, honestly, but I haven't stopped following it. I'm still excited about it, and I'll probably just wait for my moment to jump back in. See, you just gotta know when the right moment is. You gotta do your research. Gotta know what you're doing, and don't make decisions like in a panic, you know? Don't rush it. You gotta be sure before you make your trades. I'm trying to get the chat up on the phone here. I'm gonna see if I can do it here. I think I'm about there. Oh shit. Yeah, I think I got this now. Let's see if I can. Oh, we're gonna have an echo though. I don't want no echo. I'll give myself a thumbs up. Hey, maybe you do the same. Let's see if I can pull up this damn chat. How the fuck do I get the chat going, guys? Oh shit, live chat, duh. Alright, I got this. I got this. I got it on the phone now. That's what's up. Now I can read your messages. Okay. Okay, now I'm reading your messages. Yeah, the only reason why it sounds like I know what I'm talking about this medical stuff, man, is because I've been doing my research. I didn't know shit before this. You know, there's a lot. It's amazing what you can learn from the internet. It's a powerful place, man. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing about these small companies, man. You know, every company was small at some point, like Microsoft, Google, eBay, all these companies, Amazon. All of them were tiny little companies that I'm sure a lot of people say, oh, that shit ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna happen. And then look, boom, it did happen, you know. It's all about doing that research and knowing whether it's gonna happen or not. I mean, it's never a foolproof thing, but I mean, you can at least know, and there's a really good chance that this is gonna be something. You can at least tell that much, you know what I'm saying? Well, thanks, man. Thanks for the thumbs up. I appreciate that. I gotta put this. I've got my phone hooked up here so I can read the chat, but damn thing's dying, so I'm gonna plug that shit in. So at least that won't die on me. Oh shit! I gotta do something else to this thing. I've got it set up for low power setting, so it dims the screen every like 2 seconds. I can't stand that, so I'm gonna make that go away now. There we go. Now we're good to go. Now I can read your chats in real time. That's what's up. We're up to a whole whopping 2 viewers. Right on. All right, let's take a look here at some other shit. Should we look at the most read stock right now? Okay. Damn. That's nice right there. Look at that. DOLV Ventures. I have no idea what that is right now. So it was so it's at 6 cents, a little over 6 cents, and it went up almost 3 cents today. That's huge, man. They like doubled their money today, just today. 91%, man. Let's take a look at that. What is this? DOLV Ventures Incorporated. Acquired by China-based battery manufacturer. So they manufacture batteries. What kind of batteries? So it's China-based. The guy doesn't look Chinese, does he? So what is he doing business in China? Both U.S. and international base. So, all right. Damn! Look at that chart, though. That looks nice, you know. I can just kind of went up, 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 up. 47 million in volume. That's a lot of shares traded today. Okay, this is today's post by one of their moderators for this chat, for this message board. It says, I firmly believe in this is the case. Please have a look at some of the timelines. Wang, Dequan, and Jinbo Investment Group bought 99% of ZJMY. Huh. November. I bought. Huh. Alright, so ZJMY became DOLV, I think. Let's find out if this is actually a separate stock or... Yeah, see? So, basically that became DOLV, which is DOLV Ventures. Alright, so they bought out that shit. And that's why they think that this thing's blowing up. I probably should have read more of that. Let's take a look. So it's 2017 here, January 2nd. A new company, Zhongtao. China Investment Jimbo Industrial Company was registered with infusion of 5 million RMB. I don't know what RMB means, honestly. I didn't say RNB. I said RMB. About. Okay. So we're okay. It was infused. So this 5 million RMB is like, I guess, China's currency, RMB, and then that is equivalent to 72 million US. Okay, is that right? That's crazy. Wait a minute. What is this like? Look at that. There's like 4 zeros. It's 4 zeros, not 3 zeros. I don't know, man. That's strange. Okay, so basically the company was infused with $72 million, mainly from Mr. Wang. Alrighty then. Mr. Wang has got a lot of money, apparently. But that's a lot of money, man. That's serious. That's pretty cool. Alright. So this looks like this could be something here. Dolat Ventures. I'll have to put that on the watch list here. Let's see if I can do that. How do I do that? Wait, I could go back. I could go back here. What I need to do is make a special list here. That's what I want to do. Alright, that's nice. Okay. DOLV. We'll add that. There we go. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I want to watch that one. Okay. Am I wearing a wig? What? Didn't used to look that healthy, huh? Nah, that's my real hair, man. Appreciate that compliment, but I actually need a fucking haircut, dude. I got slick back right now. Oh, you know why? It's probably because I use this special. It's not hair gel. I don't use hair gel anymore. I use a grooming wax, grooming cream. Basically, it's a wax. And dude, you just need like a little bit of this shit on your fingertip, and you put it on there and just mix it all around up in there. And that shit holds good for, it can hold for like 2-3 days before you have to reapply again. And it don't get all sticky and shit. It's kind of nice. I like it. So maybe that's why. Makes my hair look better and probably is healthier. Yeah, man, I've done a lot to change my lifestyle. I quit drinking a long time ago. I quit smoking a long time ago. It's been over a year for all that. Every once in a while I'll have an occasional beer or something, but that's about it. I mean, once every like month maybe. And switched off the energy drinks, man. I drink this Pear Leaf right here. It's good stuff. It's made from real tea leaves. Good shit, man. Keeps me awake. It's low caffeine. But I can function off of less caffeine now, I got myself used to that, so. Yeah, electronics, yeah, it's always a good place to spend money. Oh, yeah. Totally agree, but I mean, like the medical stocks, those are no joke, man. Those can make you a lot of money if you pick the right one. Here's one right here. I've been watching this OWCP. It's pharmaceutical research. Basically, they deal with medical marijuana, I guess. And, alright, let's take a look at this. You guys are gonna be like, damn, it's gonna blow your mind. Check this out. If you don't know already. Some of you savvy investors know what I'm talking about. Alright, check this out. Alright, we're going way back here. Actually, you don't have to go that far back, apparently. Alright, yeah. Alright, so this is let's see here. Actually, kind of want to go further back. Alright, whatever. It doesn't matter. Alright, so, oh, I can go. I gotta just change this right here. Alright, let's go 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. Oh, it says 1 day, though. What the hell? I didn't pick no 1 day. 6 months. 1 year. Oh, okay, okay. I got it. Alright, so that's kind of what we needed here. Alright, so if you look back, I think it was like September-ish. Yeah, look at that. Is that like a penny right there? A penny. This freaking thing went from September, a penny, to $3.20 in February of this year. I'm not kidding. That is a short amount of time for that kind of increase. Can you imagine if you would have bought like 1 million shares down here at a penny each? A lot of people could afford that. I mean, a penny is not much. Well, not a lot of people, but, you know, still, what I'm saying. Damn. Your penny, for every share you bought, becomes $3.20. Think about that. Damn. That's crazy. So OWCP made a lot of people rich. Now, for anybody that was holding on once it reached this point and kept holding on, I feel sorry for that. I see them in the message boards and they're like all pissed off because it just went down. Look at this shit. All fucking down again. Now it's down to 72 cents today. It hit $3.20. This is February 22nd. And now April 10th, down to 72 cents. Wow. That's a freaking dive. I mean you can see how it went up. Like it just kind of went, just kind of gradually up, and then it's kind of stayed here and then up. That was a nice jump there, and just kind of zigzagged a little bit, and it just went freaking up. That's what I'm talking about. If you were in this stock at this point, you were happy. But then if you're still holding on to it, man, I feel bad. It sucks. So you could have sold it right up here. You just never know what a stock's going to do sometimes, man. Never know. Oh, if you talk about OWCP, I actually never got into this. I never invested in it. I heard about it, you know, late after all this happened. See, I started investing like, it was probably late February, early March is when I got started. And I've been like addicted to it. I've been like following stocks like every single day since then. And learning a lot. As you guys can tell. I'm still got a lot to learn. I think we all do, you know. But that's what I have this the show for, is, you know, we can learn from each other. And it'll be cool when other people, you know, pop in this chat and talk about the stocks you guys like. That'd be awesome. Alright, so yeah. That's just insane, man. 1 penny becomes $3.20. Alright, so you can buy 100 shares. 100 shares for $1. 1,000 shares for $10. Let's see here, 10,000 shares. Wait, am I fucking up? 10,000 shares is $10. Yeah. Alright. And 100,000 shares is $100. So a million shares is only $1,000 at a penny. So if you had $1,000 and you invested at a penny and it became $3.20, that is $3.2 million you would have had off your $1,000 investment. Am I fucking up? I think that's right. Dude. That's insane, right? Holy fuck, man. See, I wish I would have known about this stock, because I have over $1,000 invested right now. I would have bought that a pair. Who knows, though? I mean, how would you know that this was going to do all that? You wouldn't have known it. Now everybody after the fact talks about it, like, holy shit, these marijuana stocks, man, they're crazy. You know? But all I've seen from marijuana stocks lately, after, what's his name? Was it Jeff Sessions or whatever? In Trump's cabinet. I forget his position, but anyway, he had said something like, we're never going to legalize marijuana federally, or whatever he said. I can't remember, but after he said that shit, like, marijuana stocks dropped. Now, I was actually in a stock. Let's see here. A marijuana stock. I'm trying to think of the name of it. Fuck, why can't I think of it? And I lost money on that. I was pissed, but I jumped out because I was like, man, I can't lose anymore. Yeah, as of right now, I've got about $1,100 invested, and it's all in U.S. stem cell, USRM. So anyway, let's see here. Message board. Yeah, let's see what people are saying about this. I'm trying to get down the messages here. Alright. Said they were going to start selling pea cream. I don't know what pea cream is. In April. Doesn't matter, that perception was erroneously derived at those who have profits are starting to abandon ship. Could get much worse. Company needs to start an active PR campaign to reverse the growing negativity if they want their share price to stabilize. Silence on their part suggests we don't give a rip about the short-term share price. We're concerned about it many months from now. $1 a share was a peaceful, tranquil base. Under 50 cents will cause panic. Do something very soon, company, about the falling share price, or else shorts bashers are going to come out of the woodwork. Pretty sure they already have. I mean, you got bashers all over the place, no matter where you go. Who sold for a loss? I'm sorry, I'm not getting your point behind the cryptic message. Wow. What I'll do is taking a massive beating. Alrighty then. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, shall we look at a different one? Okay. I think we'll do most red again here. Yeah, this one's doing good right here. 46% increase. MMEX, that sounds so familiar. Let's find out what that is. A lot of people talk about this one, so. Maple Resources Corp. Gas Corporation. Okay, so they do gas. It's more purely to keep me alive, you know what I'm saying? Alright. So what's going on? Final warning, please read. It probably has nothing to do with the stock. Violations of privacy? What the freak? Privacy violations are taken very seriously and can lead to sanctions, including termination. Please don't do this again. Everyone should consider this your final warning and a further violation. I don't even know what this is about. Like, seriously. Alrighty then. The thing with iHub is they regulate their message boards too much. You can't say anything about anybody. Even if you're like not even being that harsh, like, yeah. And then you get these bashers that could come on here and just talk so much crap about the stock, and it just pisses you off. So you want to say something to it. But if you do, you get banned and shit. So it's kind of, I think it's they're way over regulating their message boards here. I think what they should do is do something about all these damn bashers that come in here for no good reason. You know what I'm saying? So MMEX is up 400% since that author wrote his first article and said, "Get out of MMEX while you can." That's funny. Everyone who listened to the author on March 14th missed a 400% gainer. Damn. MMEX actually hit over 5 cents on April 3rd. So just to recap, MMEX went up 1,000% after the author said so. Nobody is going to listen to him now with that awful track record. Yeah, no shit. Look at the company's debt. Yeah. The thing is with like companies' debts, like they could be like in trouble, but if they come through like major breakthroughs, like something big happens, then that's gonna be more important, you know. That's what I'm saying. It does help that they have the money to go forward with their plan. Yeah, I totally agree with that, but a lot of these companies, you know, like USRM, they weren't doing so great financially, but then they got some financial help, like millions of dollars, you know. What is it, 2.5 or 3 million recently? I can't remember. I think it was like 2.5 million. It's nothing to shake a stick at. That's a lot of money to help them out, you know. It's the thing. If you got a big idea, you know, people will bring money to the table to help you out. If it's that big. So that's kind of what I look for. I don't really like looking at companies' debts. I mean, it's nice to look at like what they how much money they're making. Like, I mean, you can look at that stuff. I do look at that stuff. I just don't find it I don't find it as interesting. And if it's like big money, if it's big money, it'll be right here at the top somewhere saying something about, you know, they made this much this year. They made $100 million this year. What's this here? Right here. Let's see, MMEX valuation. $30 million NOL tax. I don't even know what that means, man. Honestly, so I got a lot of like acronyms and shit. You gotta figure out what that means. Reading the reviews. Actually, this is research that other people did, and I'm just looking at what they found. And then a lot of times you want to look at the source to see if it's reliable or not. Okay, so right here it says resource partners with KP Engineering to design, build crude oil refinery in Permian Basin. See, it's by Globe Newswire right there. So you want to look at your sources. That's important. So sometimes, like people, there's like news wires that are just basically just trying to pump up certain stocks, maybe for their own financial benefit or something. So, do I know anything about Global Newswire, whether they're reputable or not? I don't really know, man. So, I'm gonna take everything to heart here. What this says, I'm probably gonna try to find it, you know, more reputable sources or more well-known sources to verify whether this information is correct. That would be what I would do before I go ahead and invest, you know. So basically what this is a message board. This is an investment website. It's Investors Hub. Basically, this is where a lot of big investors hang out and talk about their stocks. A lot of these people are in here are, you know, very well known, like this Rainmaker guy, big time poster on USRM. Look at this. He's followed by 2,500 people. He has 66,000 posts. I mean, this guy's been here for a while. He knows his stocks probably better than I do, for sure. Yeah, there's people like that. So you look for people like him, you know, big posters, and usually you know who you can trust and who you can't trust. You start to learn. Then there's people you just don't know. There's all kinds of names in here I don't know. So 100% again tomorrow. 50 to 100% more gains again tomorrow, he says, in his honest opinion. Yeah. I don't know if I bank on that, but you never know. One day bounce, it'll go back, this guy says. Tomorrow I'll reach 5 cents. Never will reach 5 cents again. So that kind of thing, saying never, is right here is telling you that this guy's probably a basher. He's probably batching this stock, trying to make people believe it's not going to. You never can say never. You don't know. It says it has happened all the time. It bounce and long think it will go high again, and it just goes right down. I mean, that could be the case, but I'm just saying never say never. When you say things like that, that makes you less credible, in my opinion. YouTube stocks. No, see, why I invest in penny stocks is because you can buy more shares. If you buy into a big company like that, you're not holding very many shares. So, like, if it went up like $1, you wouldn't make very much money. But if a penny stock goes up $1, you're like rich. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. $20. Well, the only place I can think of that you can do that, man, is let's see here. It's an investment group called Robinhood. Here, I'll show you. And it's commission-free trades too. So they don't even charge you for your trades. Free stock trading. Check that out. And you get it on your phone. It's an app. So you just go to the app store, look for Robinhood, and basically you sign up, you link your bank account, and you make a little transfer over to Robinhood, and you're good to go. But you can, they don't really let you deal with penny stocks too much. That's the problem with it. So you're gonna have to like buy one of the bigger stocks that costs you more money. I mean, you can find stocks that aren't like that are in the pennies, but it's hard to find, man. So yeah, that's what I would do with your $20. And when you have more, throw that in there, man. I tried out Robinhood. I actually, just to be funny, I put $5 in Robinhood, and I found a little penny stock, and I played around with it, and I made like 80 cents off of $5. I'm not kidding. I don't even know what the hell the thing was. I just bought some random penny stock because I was just fooling around. I made like 80 freaking cents. That's hilarious. Shit. But yeah, no, I thought I'd show you that. Robinhood. It's for all you guys that don't have very much money. They don't charge you for your trades, man. That's pretty cool. Alright. Well, let's see here. I think we're probably going to end up closing off the stream here. I will be back tomorrow. I mean, we're going to do this every day. This is just the first episode, guys. Every day, 5 o'clock. That's every weekday, not weekends. Every weekday, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, guys. So, yeah, like California time. Except I'm in Washington, but yeah. So, there's 4 of you guys watching. That's what's up. That's good. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate it if you put a thumbs up, you know. You know, after the stream's over, you can always leave some comments and stuff. That always boosts us up, helps us find more viewers. That's what we want. We want more activity in the chat, you know. Then we can like check out stocks together and stuff, you know. I claim to be no expert. I mean, I'm learning with you guys, so just a fun place for us investors to hang out, you know. That's what this is. Penny stock happy hour, yo. So, anyway. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. I will remain in the chat for a few more minutes if you guys want to say anything else after the stream is over. You're welcome to. So, I appreciate it, y'all. Peace out.